Apple is poised to redefine the budget smartphone landscape once again with the release of the iPhone SE4. Combining cutting-edge features, premium design, and affordability, this much-anticipated device is scheduled to launch in March 2025. From groundbreaking connectivity to exceptional performance, the iPhone SE4 promises to set new standards in the affordable smartphone category. Let's dive into everything we know so far about this revolutionary device. USB-C integration. A new era of connectivity. Apple is taking a monumental step in adopting the USB-C port for the iPhone SE4. This move aligns with new European Union regulations, requiring all smartphone manufacturers to standardize charging ports. While Apple's proprietary Lightning port has been a hallmark of its devices, the shift to USB-C brings numerous advantages. Universal compatibility. With USB-C, users can now charge their iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks using a single cable. This simplifies daily usage, reduces clutter, and ensures seamless interoperability with other devices. Enhanced charging and data transfer speeds. USB-C offers faster data transfer and rapid charging capabilities, making tasks like syncing large files or powering up on the go more efficient. Future-proof design. By embracing USB-C, Apple ensures its devices remain compatible with emerging global standards, catering to tech-savvy consumers and maintaining relevance in an evolving market. This strategic update not only enhances user convenience but also positions the iPhone SE4 as a forward-thinking contender in the smartphone world. Strategic release and competitive pricing. Apple has meticulously planned the launch of the iPhone SE4, setting its release for March 2025. This timing is significant, coming 6 months after the iPhone 16 series and 6 months ahead of the iPhone 17 lineup. This mid-cycle release allows Apple to maintain momentum in the competitive smartphone market. Pricing strategy. The iPhone SE series is synonymous with affordability, and the SE4 is no exception. With an estimated starting price of $550, it delivers flagship-level features at a fraction of the cost. This makes it an excellent choice for users seeking an affordable entry point into Apple's ecosystem. Existing iPhone users looking for a cost-effective upgrade. Budget-conscious consumers who prioritize performance and design. Hardware innovations. Cameras and display. The iPhone SE4 raises the bar for hardware quality in budget smartphones. Apple has packed advanced features into its camera and display systems, ensuring a superior user experience. Camera upgrades. Rear camera. The SE4 boasts a 48MP wide-angle lens, borrowed from the iPhone 16 series. This camera delivers exceptional image quality with vibrant colors and sharp details. Near-optical 2x zoom for closer shots without compromising quality. Advanced computational photography, enhancing low-light performance and dynamic range. Front camera. A 12MP TrueDepth camera offers stunning selfies, high-quality FaceTime calls, and smooth video recording, catering to content creators and casual users alike. Display excellence. The iPhone SE4 features a 6.06-inch OLED panel, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts, elevate the viewing experience. A resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels ensures crystal-clear visuals for streaming, gaming, and browsing. This combination of cutting-edge camera and display technologies solidifies the SE4's position as a standout budget device. Performance powerhouse. The A18 Bionic chip. At the core of the iPhone SE4 lies the A18 Bionic chip, paired with 8GB of RAM. This dynamic duo guarantees unmatched performance, even under demanding conditions. Here's what users can expect. Seamless multitasking. From running intensive apps to editing photos, the SE4 handles it all effortlessly. Augmented reality. The powerful chip enhances AR experiences, offering smoother graphics and interactive capabilities. Future-ready connectivity. With Apple's custom 5G modem and Wi-Fi 7 chip, the SE4 ensures faster download and upload speeds, reduced latency for gaming and video calls, enhanced network reliability. This level of performance makes the SE4 a true powerhouse, catering to tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Fresh design philosophy. Apple's design ethos continues to shine with the iPhone SE4. Retaining the iconic notch for Face ID functionality, the SE4 balances modern aesthetics with practical usability. Key design features. Compact form factor. The SE4's sleek and lightweight build ensures a comfortable grip and easy portability. Color options. While not yet confirmed, the device is expected to offer a mix of classic and contemporary shades, appealing to diverse user preferences. Apple's commitment to design excellence ensures that the SE4 is both functional and visually appealing. Battery life and charging solutions. Battery performance is a critical factor for any smartphone, and the iPhone SE4 delivers on this front. Equipped with a 3,279 mAh battery, it provides all-day performance under normal usage. Charging options. Fast charging. Support for up to 30W fast charging ensures minimal downtime. Wireless charging. Users can enjoy the convenience of wireless charging at home or on the go. These features make the SE4 a reliable companion for busy lifestyles. The legacy of the SE series. The iPhone SE series has always been a beacon of performance and value, and the SE4 continues this legacy. With advanced features, premium design, and a competitive price point, it appeals to Apple enthusiasts, those seeking a secondary device or a budget-friendly upgrade. Newcomers. Users switching from other brands who want to explore Apple's ecosystem. The SE4's blend of innovation and affordability makes it a standout choice in its segment. Why the iPhone SE4 is worth the wait. As the March 2025 launch approaches, excitement around the iPhone SE4 continues to build. Here's why this device stands out. Innovative features. From USB-C connectivity to a 48MP camera, the SE4 redefines what budget smartphones can offer. Impressive performance. The A18 Bionic chip and 8GB of RAM ensure seamless multitasking and future-ready capabilities. Sleek design. Apple's attention to aesthetics and usability makes the SE4 a joy to own. Unbeatable value. With flagship-level features at a budget-friendly price, the SE4 offers incredible bang for your buck. Final thoughts. The iPhone SE4 is more than just another budget smartphone. It's a testament to Apple's dedication to quality and innovation. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, this device is poised to impress. With its innovative features, exceptional performance, and attractive pricing, the SE4 is set to dominate the budget smartphone market in 2025. Stay tuned for more updates as the release date approaches, and prepare to experience a new standard in affordable technology.